I am back for second time around. Jack Bosch. I did his program also a while back, and it's basically just, to me, in my opinion, it was right the opposite of Land Academy. You know, send out a bunch of mail, and then when they call in for the offer, then you do the actual research instead of doing the research first and mailing the.
Yes.
And the other piece of it was, you know, you just put it under contract and you go market the hell out of it and try to get it sold. I was halfway successful with that. It's just at the end of the day, in good conscience, I did not feel right about having a contract on somebody, marketing that contract, acting like I own the property, and if they decide to go a different direction, go and put a lien on the property. It did not sit well with me. Did a few deals that way. It just ate at me. Also did the Land Geek way. I got some desert squares for Carl. I know he enjoys the out there. Got several of those owner financed, just like how Mark Delsky teaches. Really didn't match up well with me either. I don't understand the desert that well. Everything is literally a square and there's nothing around. And people buy it. I don't know why.
I don't know why either, Mark. I have no idea.
Finance from anywhere from $100 to $200 a month, and they still pay. And you know, mass majority of them, they'll fall out. I'll turn around and sell it again, and owner finance it again. And it's just that 3-4 hours to get all the paperwork put together and trying to, you know, herd them like cattle, trying to sign here. No. Open the document here and sign here. It's just, it didn't match up well with me either on that. I like this. This really matches my personality and integrity. I want to do it in a very honest manner. You know, I'm buying your property. Here's the cash. Let's go close. And then I'm going to go sell it. That's plain and simple. I like that. The very simplistic, honest approach to this matches very well with me. I've been in real estate for a long time, and in the process, I was starting down that path when I started career path 6. Was I need to start liquidating my businesses, and just soon after that, my son, he's 15 now. At the time, he was 14. Got invited to go to a soccer academy in Dallas. I'm in East Texas, so I'm 2 hours east in Dallas. That really put an exclamation point on me needing to sell off my businesses here in East Texas, because in my opinion, I can't own or operate my businesses the way I want to own or operate them if I'm living 2 hours away. I'm a hands-on guy. I want to be able to see my product that I'm putting out there in the market, and I want to make sure it's ran correctly. That's just me. I've always been my own bottleneck, and that is definitely a bottleneck of mine, of being able to release and let others, you know, take the reins and run with it. I just don't feel it's going to be ran as tightly as I want it ran. So fortunately, since the last time to now, I've sold off almost half my businesses are sold. And I got a few more. I got a couple of investors that are looking to put out an offer. Got an offer the other day on another business, and looks like I'm wrapping up everything else that I own here in East Texas. So it's working out real well for me. I want to really just use Career Path 9 as a jump point for my business to really just move forward. So perfect. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to have a lot of my businesses gone off my plate where I can really just focus in on one thing, and really excited about this time around.
What about number goals? Do you have some
4.2
big goals? What is it?
4.2.
4.2. Thank you. I love that.
Excellent.